Today, I'll show you how to add a user in Klaviyo, a powerful email marketing tool that helps you engage with your audience effectively. Whether you're expanding your team or just getting started, adding users is a fundamental step to ensure everyone has the access they need. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Klaviyo and navigate to your dashboard. You'll notice your organization or brand name displayed prominently in the bottom left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing various account settings and management tools. Once you've clicked on your organization name, a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Klaviyo account. Now, on the Settings page, take a look at the top menu bar or the left sidebar. You're looking for the option labeled Users, or sometimes it might appear as Account followed by Users. Click on this to proceed to the Users Management screen. This section is where you can view, edit, and manage all users associated with your Klaviyo account. In the top right corner of the Users Management screen, you'll see a blue button that says Add User. This is the button you'll need to click to start the process of adding a new team member. Clicking this button opens up a form where you can input the necessary details for the new user. Now, let's fill out the new team member's information. You'll need to enter their full name and email address. This is crucial as it allows the new user to receive their invitation and set up their account. The email address should be the one they use for work, ensuring they can seamlessly integrate into your Klaviyo workspace. Once you've entered all the required information, you can send an invitation to the new user by clicking Add Invite. This action will trigger an email invitation to the person you've just added, prompting them to join your Klaviyo account. They'll have everything they need to accept the invitation and start collaborating with your team. It's also worth noting that depending on your account permissions, you might have the option to assign specific roles or permissions when adding a new user. This could include roles like admin or analyst, depending on what tasks they will be handling within Klaviyo. Make sure to assign the appropriate role to ensure they have access to the right tools and data. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Klaviyo account. This simple yet essential task helps keep your team organized and ensures everyone has the tools they need to succeed. Remember, keeping your user management up to date is crucial for smooth collaboration and efficient workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides to maximize your use of Klaviyo. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.